Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika and today I'm going to show you my amazing app which I just created right now. This app is to calculate your age in hours. It's very simple. I'm going to show you my code. How did I do it? But first, let's begin with our design. So our design begins with enter your age in years. Before showing you, I'll just show you how it works. I'm going to enter my age. My age is 11. And then I'm just going to click on calculate. Simple. My age is 96,360 hours old. Is that so simple, right? Now I'm going to show you the simple code which I just did right now. Here. Here, as you can see, my code is like on event, button, click function. Means when the event starts, you have to click on the button to calculate your age. Then the second is set text label 4. Then a multiplication sign 365 into 24 into get text input. We'll get along with that. But let's learn what is set text. Set text means like the text which the computer will get to calculate. The computer will display. And the get text is when the computer will get the age. Like right now I just gave my age 11 years old. And here, get text will give the age to the computer to calculate. It's so simple. I'll write another age like 2 years. And then again calculate it. Wait. See? It's so simple. The code is here and it will give the instructions to the computer what to do. So next time, when you just open my app, you can just see and write your age and then later on thank me that I just gave your age in hours. Thank you. Bye bye. And should I stop recording?